Happy New Year from Marine Tech Hub. I would like to thank all my subscribers who have brought this channel to the highest level. I am helping people on real time with any troubleshooting on board the ship. So I am getting messages on WhatsApp, and this is my ambition in my life to help people with the troubleshooting. So one thing what I have done is I have given us membership level 5 where you can make payment to my bank account, so that I will be helping you for 1 year and also giving you all the videos which I am having. So this is for 1 year subscription level 5. So let's start the video regarding main engine shaft earthing. Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I'll be explaining you about the shaft earthing. In this picture you can see the reading is 32.8 millivolts, and right now the main engine is running. Any value between 0 to 80 millivolts is acceptable. The purpose of shaft earthing is very important, and if the reading is more than 80 millivolts, you have to check why the problem is. In this case, what happens is when the shaft is rotating, it produces an EMF. This EMF has to be grounded so that it is not transmitted through the bearing. If the grounding is not okay, then we will have a lot of problem with the bearing. We may have pitting marks. So the purpose of the shafting is to make sure the earthing is proper, so that all the millivolts which is generated, it is grounded to the hull. So if it is not happening, then what will happen is it will take the path through the bearing. We have the main bearing, so all this main bearing, what will happen is this millivolts will start jumping through the bearing and we will have a lot of pitting marks. To take care of the bearing, this shaft earthing is very important. I will be running you the video for you. Right now you can see it is showing the reading, measuring the actual reading of the shaft. Right now you can see the main engine is running. We have got the silver band here, and we have the silver graphite connected here, and we have one more silver band here, again silver graphite connected. This graphite is connected to the hull, it is earthed. The other graphite is connected to the millivolt meter, so it is measuring the millivolts between these two, that is between the earthing, that is the one which is here, and so we have to clean this regularly. This is the cleaning process. So the silver band is there which has to be cleaned. You can see the electrical officer is cleaning it. Suppose your multimeter is not working, millivolt meter, then you can use the process meter. You can see I am keeping one terminal here and another terminal of this is kept here, and I am measuring the millivolts here directly. So this can be always done if your instrument is not working. This is one of the method you can measure it. So this is very important for engineers. Make sure your shaft earthing is proper, so that you safeguard the main bearing, which is very costly, and it is very important for engineers. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can always message me.